Our journey begins in avocado orchards, where timing, care, and ripeness define oil quality.
The sugar levels are peaking right here.
Yep. We'll focus on this row then.
Modern harvesting equipment improves efficiency while preserving avocado integrity from tree to bin. Once harvested, avocados move quickly, reducing heat exposure and preserving oil chemistry.
Deal ranges confirmed. These are ready for transport.
With harvesting complete, avocados begin their journey from farm toward oil extraction. Field sorting begins immediately, separating premium avocados and safeguarding oil quality from the start.
Proper crating protects fruit structure, preserving oil cells during transport and handling.
Refrigerated transport slows ripening, locking in oil quality during the journey.
Set points confirmed. The temperature is holding steady.
With transport underway, avocados advance toward processing and oil extraction. At the factory, controlled receiving begins the critical transition from farm handling to industrial processing.
Advanced scanning technology evaluates internal quality, invisible to the human eye. Drying prepares avocados for precise pulping and oil extraction stages ahead.
Weight 0.52 kilograms. Temperature 7 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Next batch ready.
With cleaning complete, avocados are now ready for pulping and oil extraction. Destoning separates avocado flesh from pits, protecting texture and maximizing oil-rich pulp yield.
Automation maintains consistency, ensuring every batch of avocado pulp meets extraction requirements.
Temperature control prevents oil degradation before extraction begins. Prepared avocado paste now advances toward oil extraction, the heart of production.
Oil extraction begins as avocado paste enters centrifuges, designed for gentle, efficient separation.
Centrifugal force naturally divides oil, water, and solids without damaging delicate avocado oils.
Cold pressing preserves natural antioxidants, color, and flavor within avocado oil. Freshly extracted oil is monitored continuously to ensure purity before clarification.
With extraction complete, avocado oil advances toward clarification and refinement stages.
Fresh avocado oil now rests, allowing gravity to separate remaining moisture and impurities. Filtration removes remaining particles, creating clear, premium-grade avocado oil. Every batch undergoes laboratory testing to confirm purity, stability, and safety. With clarification complete, avocado oil moves confidently toward consumer-ready packaging. Bottling begins as purified avocado oil is portioned accurately for consistent consumer products. Batch codes guarantee traceability from bottled oil back to the original avocados.
Sealed cartons prepare avocado oil products for safe palletization and shipment. Packaged avocado oil now awaits storage and global distribution. Proper storage preserves avocado oil quality before distribution begins.
Bottleneck near the Panama Canal is critical. We have to prioritize the urgent cargo and adjust the domestic routes accordingly.
Temperature-controlled transport protects avocado oil during long-distance delivery.
Where does this one go?
Supermarket Route 3, scan it first.
Avocado oil reaches store shelves, ready for everyday cooking and health-conscious consumers.
The journey ends where quality matters most, at the consumer's table.